dead bad guy.
Yeah. Yeah, his ribs kind of busted.
Those are the 45 long bolts.
Huh.
And then the 420.
Alright.
It looks like they're going good.
Had to get the paper smile on there. Okay.
How do you expect me to shoot?
Pull back and let go.
Back, 'cause I don't want to get ricochet. Come on, guys.
I don't know how to hold it with my left hand.
Just like you did with the right. Nope. Okay, hang on a second.
Sorry, I was asking about the
That's okay. Definitely left side dominant. Look at your I'm left side dominant.
You're good.
Yeah.
Good cousin.
I'm used to it.
So, I just put the safety on. Same way you did before, you want to grab it and wrap it. There you go. Good job. One more magazine. The blood. You gotta be a good shot in this family. Good job. Right. Fine. On the trigger and slowly pull back, and then just whatever target you want. Slow and steady, get your sight picture going. Put your finger on the trigger. Not your gun, huh?
Not my gun.
All right.
Caution.
Okay. Keep your finger in the trigger guard this time.
Huh?
Keep your finger in the trigger guard for each shot. So just pull it up and just let go.
Safety's on.
Here we go. Lean into it, Kate.
Oh, hi.
Brass in the boot is not a good thing. You okay?
I didn't notice it at first. I was like, oh!
You handled it well by putting the gun down. All right. Get your sight picture, put the front sight between the two back dots, slowly pull, and then break the trigger. Better. Get into it, there the girl. There you go. Don't rush, go slow.
I know, but I wanted to.
Uncle David. Nice.
gotta get a pen. I'll be right back. Go. 2 shots. Okay. Now I want to see 3 shots in the on his head. Go. Okay, now I want you to do 2 shots to the chest. Here we go.
Oh, thanks.
Huh?
Is it already loaded?
No. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't have to eject it. Yep, I'm sorry.
Good job, Dad.
Drop the rack. Okay, I want you to do, give one to the top of the forehead.
Huh?
Top of the forehead. There you go. One more. Okay. Right shoulder.
Right shoulder?
Yep. Oh, we just found out he's a lefty. Left shoulder. Okay. I want you to finish the magazine anywhere you choose. He's coming at you. You better get going. There you go. 2 in the forehead. All right, now I want you to shoot his right shoulder. I want you to shoot his left shoulder. We found out he's a lefty. Beautiful. I want, give him a neck wound. 1 more neck wound. All right, he's coming at you, finish it off in his chest. There you go. Go. Okay, bullseye competition, PRG.
Bottom one.
Let's see how I do. 1 bullet, bullseye. 1 shot.
Not quite.
Nope. You're fine. No safety on this guy. It's a tough
Oh, sorry, sir. I'm sorry about that.
Good.
long trigger. There you go.
That's
You don't have to, but it's a really, really long trigger pull if you don't. Keep going. Those are the 45 long pulls, so you got a really long trigger. There you go. That's it.
Oh, is it?
There you go. Try one more. Yep, that's it.